Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to iron your bangs for a sleek look. First, make sure your bangs are completely dry. Ironing wet hair can cause damage. Next, generously apply a good quality heat protectant spray to shield your hair from the iron's heat. Finally, grab a flat iron with plates no wider than 1 inch for precise styling. This preparation ensures your hair stays healthy and your style looks fantastic. Now let's get to the ironing. Divide your bangs into small 1/2 inch sections to ensure even heat distribution. Hold your flat iron at a slight downward angle, not straight, to create a natural curve. Gently glide the iron through each section from root to tip in a single, fluid motion. Avoid holding the iron in one spot for too long to prevent heat damage. Repeat for all sections. Once you've ironed all sections, let your bangs cool down completely. This step is crucial for setting the style and preventing frizz. After cooling, gently brush or comb your bangs into your desired position. Finish with a light mist of hairspray to keep them in place throughout the day. Remember, less is more with hairspray to maintain a natural, soft look. For best results, always keep your flat iron clean. Residue can build up and affect performance. Investing in a quality ceramic or tourmaline iron can also significantly reduce heat damage to your hair. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, plus other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.